Navigating through the journey of pregnancy is an adventure in itself. Add travel into the mix and you've got a whole new set of considerations. But fear not, expecting moms. With the right preparation, you can enjoy safe and comfortable travels during this special time. Before booking your tickets, consult with your healthcare provider. It's essential to discuss your travel plans and any precautions you should take based on your pregnancy stage. Generally, the second trimester is the most comfortable time for pregnant women to travel. When choosing a destination, consider the proximity to quality healthcare facilities and the availability of nutritious food options. Also, invest in travel insurance that covers pregnancy-related issues to ensure peace of mind. Once on board, comfort is key. Reserve an aisle seat for easier access to the restroom and to stretch your legs frequently. Hydration is crucial, so drink plenty of water to avoid dehydration. Wear comfortable clothing and compression socks to reduce the risk of swelling and blood clots. Don't forget to buckle the seatbelt below your belly for safety. At your destination, be mindful of food and water safety. Stick to bottled water and well-cooked meals to prevent infections. Avoid activities with a high risk of falling or those that require heavy exertion. Listen to your body and rest when needed. Traveling while pregnant can be a delightful experience with proper planning and precautions. Embrace the adventure, but always prioritize your health and well-being. Here's to safe travels and the joy of new experiences.